Okay, so hopefully with this one we're not on a wild goose chase. Dispatch ended up giving me a wrong address, I believe. Gave me downtown Sioux Falls, but what I know of Billions, where I'm going to do this, this is a place that you normally get these ProMasters in and have them unloaded at. So I've done them for them before. Pretty sure this is where it's at, but the company that dispatched it, they gave me the wrong address, I'm pretty sure. But I called the guy, he wasn't sure where he was at, but I pretty much know. So I'm gonna go there. Hopefully he's there. If he's not, we're gonna have to do some digging and figuring out where he's at, but we'll be there in just a couple minutes. All right, this should be the place where he's at. Normally they're in the back here. I could have went in the back entrance, but we'll go through here and make sure he's not hiding on the side of the building here. Looks like there's a couple ProMasters back there on a trailer. So we'll see if he's the one driving there. I'm guessing that's him. He said he was going to be outside here, so we'll see where he's going to be at. There he is. That's a bad thing about these trailers with the flip tails on them. They got the ramps and then they flip, and then they, to get a long load on there, they got to be right on top of them. We're gonna see how close we can get to him here, centered up, and we'll just extend the bed out here the rest of the way. Not bad, and you?
Well, hell, I complain. It do me no good to complain, you know?
Yeah.
Just taking it day by day. Hoping I'll find that fucking load today.
Yeah, I just gotta get a picture taken of this quick here, and
Are you gonna get the keys for this shit?
yeah, we'll have to back it onto this, but you got it all unstrapped, it looks like?
Pardon me?
You got it all unstrapped,
Yeah,
it looks like? Okay.
Unstrapped.
Okay. That truck does not sound good. Sounds like you got a golf ball rolling around in the tire. Okay, let's get the bed slid back here. Deflate the suspension. Fire one is a little more. That's a bad thing about having flip ramps.
Yeah.
If you have a full tilt, then you're good.
Yeah. Oh well, hell.
Keeps me busy though. Whoops. Goes in there. Whoa, that makes my truck look small. I'm gonna.
Oh, jeez.
What's that?
I'm gonna move this one over here too. Once you move it away.
Well, you can flip your ramps down and get that one off if you want. Otherwise, we can do the same. It does.
Yeah,
it's up to you.
I'm motherfucking the heavy man. Leave me the fucking heavy.
Oh, let's see. They got park brake on. Take the park brake off. These mirrors are horrible on this thing. Come on. Alright, we'll set the park brake again on it. So we're just going to pull ahead and end up getting it off here. Let it run. Oh. Alright. We're just going to pull ahead. We will drive this one off. And then we'll grab the other one. The guys that get those trailers like that, they don't realize they can't get as much as a full tilt deck. Of course, full tilt deck is going to be heavier, but they can't get as much on as a full tilt deck because of the ramps. And then they don't realize those ramps are freaking heavy. So an older guy like him, that's a pain in the ass for him to flip them. Even for me, I wouldn't want to flip them either. Got a little more room between me and the trailer, but we'll make this work. Don't know where they want it parked at, but I think we'll probably just put it over in the, put it right over there. Alright, we're clear. Let's put it over here.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, geez is right. Put the window back up. Get him the keys back for it. Alright, we are do this one now.
Oh, jeez.
Get you in the picture. All right, let's get backed up here again. say about there. They're missing that one here, so let's go back a little further. Alright, I think you're good there. See if he feels safe or if he wants me to do it. You good or you want me to do it?
I'm already here. So
Okay. Yeah, you're good to
now.
You're good to back up then. Hey, keep coming. If you want to just hold the brakes on it, as long as you're in there.
I got it.
Yeah, just put her in park and hold the brakes and I'll get pulled ahead here.
Okay.
That's nice because then at least I didn't have to try and climb back up in there and then have to jump back out. So let's see if we can get her down real quick here for him. Get him on his way. Okay, just go straight ahead, aim at your trailer, and then turn up last minute.
I'll put it right behind the other one.
You're a delivery guy. I'm just helping, so.
Don't give me that now. You know.
Hey, you can turn now. Looking for those?
Yeah. That's for number 2, that's for number 1.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
I'll have you sign this if my phone works for me here. It won't rotate again. Here, let's see. Get it to rotate. There we go. Let's see. Get you to sign in the white box there. Alrighty.
All right.
I'm good to go. Thank you.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Yeah, have a good one. All right, so we are done with that one. He was a super nice guy. Didn't take too long on that with his help, and we're ready to go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.